Good morning, this is the latest market news. I am Uliana. Asian shares took a cue from Wall Street and gained on Wednesday with the Nikkei 225 up 0.4% on a slightly stronger dollar and gains in technology shares. Australia's ASX 200 was up slightly by 0.1%, also aided by gains in the US. Australia's market had a strong run recently, surging 4.7% in the past 2 weeks. South Korea's Kospi was up 0.3%. Overnight US stocks rose after data revealed Americans bought more long-lasting manufactured goods last month than markets were expecting, while upbeat consumer confidence data boosted equities as well. The Dow 30 rose 0.17%, the S&P 500 index rose 0.11%, while the Nasdaq Composite Index rose 0.29%. The US dollar index continued its advance overnight, reaching its highest level in 13 months after a measure of consumer confidence surpassed expectations, as did a report on manufacturing, reinforcing speculations that the US Federal Reserve may bring forward future interest rate raises. Monetary policy settings are set to be greatly influenced by macro developments overnight which pointed toward an accelerated recovery, with market participants not shying away from picking up US dollar-dominated assets. The euro suffered overnight, moving from a high of 1.3213 down to a low of 1.3163. Consolidating losses opening lower this morning at 1.3167, as the data prints from the world's largest economy could well provide further support for the greenback. It's a relatively quiet day for macro reports, although sentiment in the Eurozone will be under the microscope with a pair of updates for the two largest economies, Germany and France. Germany GfK Consumer Climate Index 6 GMT. Europe's biggest economy will be in the spotlight today with an update on consumer sentiment via GfK. Even if today's GfK data holds steady at 9.0, it's hardly the basis for a revival in Germany's macro trend for the immediate future. Nonetheless, a stable reading in the GfK Consumer Climate Index will suggest that the economy, although wobbly, will manage to deliver a lesser but still positive rate of growth for the rest of the year. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.